Okay, so we are in the front door and you have a huge living area. Brand new flooring, stone fireplace with gas logs. And to not waste any more time, we gotta just see what's outside. There's so many, what are 2, 4, 6, 8 panel doors that are just gorgeous. But look at this, stop it. And this is winter. Imagine summer, spring, imagine fall, and then imagine this covered in snow. The other cool thing, this is a very solid porch. The really cool thing is we've got these exposed beams, so you can make it really rustic and cool. And maybe even hang like an antler chandelier up there. But yeah, it's a huge porch. It's pretty sweet, guys. Okay, so now I'm going back in off the main level porch. On this side, we have a bedroom with a big closet, or normal size closet, not tiny. Everything's been freshly painted. And then this full bath with a linen closet, a tub and shower, and updated toilet and vanity. So you go from that guest bedroom and this full bath back into the main living area. You can see you can go downstairs. And then we are going to go into the master. So this house is still on baseboard heat with propane, gas logs, but you can easily put in a couple of ductless mini splits, and that would serve the AC and heat needed. And then you could just use your baseboards as backup. This is a really awesome master. It's got a storage, place to get ready. You've got a shower and tub. And then you've got a additional storage. And then the seller wanted to always make sure that there was an owner's closet. So there's this huge owner's closet that you can lock and have all your stuff. And if we peek outside, that's how, there's my car. That's how you get in. Wanted to make sure you saw, this would be where you'd probably put your dining room table. It's not small. It's very large. And then off to the side here is the upstairs kitchen with new stainless steel appliances. And this would be where your upstairs laundry could be. Or a huge pantry if you just want to have your laundry downstairs. The kitchen isn't necessarily open concept, but that is to allow so much space for all the other rooms. And there's a lot of storage throughout the home. And now we're going to go downstairs, where you essentially have a second living area. So you could have the upstairs for yourself and rent out the downstairs. So you come to the end of the stairs and you have a bedroom with double closets. Again, new flooring, new paint. And the beautiful thing about this house is the view exists on both floors and both decks are huge. So then you come through this little corridor. You have a full bath right here. You could have a double sinks there if you wanted to. Plenty of space. And then if you come here, this is what I would think would be a game room. Or it could be another bedroom. It could be a bunk room because there's two huge closets. You have a freestanding propane fire. And you have access to the lower deck, which has been tinned in portions of it. So even if it's raining, you can sit outside. And there it is. There's that gorgeous view. So we've got huge deck space coming back in. Like I said, I use this as a game room because you have plenty of sleeping area there, or it could be a bunk room. Again, another closet. And then we have another entrance and another kitchen. Brand new flooring, brand new paint, brand new stove. And I gotta say, I really like these cabinets. So, depending on what you wanted, you could rent out the bottom and enjoy the top for yourself. Another beautiful door. And then you could have stackables here. And then here is the other. This is like a half bath with a stand-up shower attached. If I can get in there. Oh. So it's pretty nice. Everything is clean by a professional cleaning company. A nice closet. And then another bathroom. Another bedroom. All the bedrooms are large. You wouldn't need to measure to see if you could fit whatever bed size you had in mind. There's also a small golf cart garage outside. You can see there is the second entry. Okay, and we are outside. We are leaving. Very easy walkway. Like I mentioned before, that's how you can access the downstairs. Nothing is below grade. You can walk around the entire house. Beautiful stone retaining walls, lots of handles, and there is the golf cart garage. The cellars prior to this cellar had a golf cart. And we're in Seven Devils.